So in the calculation of error, whenever we are performing any experiment, we are taking number of readings. Suppose n reading we are taking, and the mean value of that all reading can be said as the actual value of that particular physical quantity. So while performing an experiment, we are taking n readings. Let A1, A2, A3 and so on an. So arithmetic mean of these reading can be said as the actual value. So the arithmetic mean of these reading, can be said as an actual value, A. So actual value is your, actual value A can be written as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus an by number of reading n. This is the value of A. Now, so in the same way, so error in first observation, delta A1 is nothing, it is the difference in the actual value with the experimental value or measured value, A difference A1, or we can say modulus of this. Similarly, error in the second observation, that is your delta A2, which your A difference A2 and so on. Likewise, we can have delta an is your mod A difference an. So actual error is delta A is equal to the arithmetic mean of all error. Arithmetic mean of all errors, or that we can say delta A1 plus delta A2 up to delta an by n. This is called your actual error. So in this manner we are using the error. So the physical quantity, so the quantity is written as A plus minus delta A. So A plus minus delta A means A is the actual value, plus minus delta A means this much of error can be possible, and plus sign in the positive side also, or it can be your negative side, means that much value can be more as well as same value can be less. So this is the first of all method of calculation of error and representation of any quantity with error. A is the actual value, plus minus delta is the error. Now come to the propagation of error. Now physical quantity can be written as physical quantity can be written as A plus minus delta A, where A is the true value, where A is true value and delta A is absolute error. Or so now if we want relative error, that is nothing, it is the absolute error by true value. So absolute error here delta A and true value here this. So relative error can be written like this. This is the way by which we can write relative error. Now percentage error. Relative error in terms of 100. So percentage error written as relative error into 100, or we can say delta A by A into 100. This is called your percentage error. So this is the method of expression of percentage error and relative error. Now come to the propagation of error.